Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Jodoo Masterclass series. Today, I'll walk you through how to register for Jodoo, sign in, and invite members to join your company or team. Whether you're just getting started or looking to expand your team, this video will help you every step of the way. Part 1. Registering for Jodoo. Let's start right at the beginning, creating your Jodoo account. First, open your browser and go to www.jo-do.com. On the home page, look for the Request Trial button at the top right corner and click it. This is a process for requesting a trial from the sales team. Once your application is approved, you will receive a registration link and can sign up for free. Just fill in your information like your name, email, and company details and hit Submit. Don't worry, registration is completely free and you don't need a credit card. This process helps us make sure you get personalized support from our team. Once you've submitted the form, you'll soon receive an email with a registration link. Open the email and click the registration link. You'll be taken straight to the sign-up page. Just enter your email and follow the prompts to complete your registration. We highly recommend registering with your email address. Once you're in, you'll have a 15-day free trial. You can explore all the popular features with just a few usage limits. And here's some peace of mind. If you don't upgrade to a paid plan after the trial, you'll automatically move to the free plan and your data will be retained. No charges will be incurred when the trial expires. Part 2. Signing in. After you've registered, signing in is a breeze. Just enter your email address and your password. If you want to make future logins even easier, check the Remember Me box before you sign in. That way, Jodoo will remember you next time. No more password headaches. Part 3. Switching between accounts. Jodoo lets you seamlessly switch between personal and work accounts, just like Notion. If you have both a personal account and you're part of one or more business teams, you can easily switch between them. Click on the icon next to Workspace at the top right and click on Switch Company/Team. Your personal account will show up under My Company/Team. Any business teams you've joined will be listed under Company/Team I joined. The workspace you're currently using will be labeled as Current Company/Team. To switch, just hover your mouse over the company or team you want and click Go to Company/Team. You'll instantly jump into that workspace. This makes it super simple to keep your personal projects and work projects organized and separate. Part 4. Inviting members to join your team. Now, let's talk about inviting new members to your company or team. Let's head over to Contacts. Here you'll see a list of all your members, active and inactive. To invite new members, you have 3 options. First option, add one by one. Click Add, enter their email address, and send the invite. Second option, share an invite link or QR code. For quick onboarding, just copy the invite link or QR code and send it to your teammates via chat or email. Third option, batch import. If you have a lot of people to add, click Import. You need to download the template and fill in the necessary information, and then upload the Excel file to invite everyone at once. Once you send the invites, your teammates will get an email. Here is an important tip: double-check the email addresses before sending invitations. This is the only time admins can edit a member's email. After they join, only the member can update their email in their profile settings. To accept the invitation, members just need to open the link in their email, sign up or log into Jodoo, and they'll automatically join your team. A few extra tips. There's a limit of 1 invitation per person per day. If someone doesn't receive their invite within 24 hours, simply click Invite All again in Contacts to resend the invitations. Sharing the invite link or QR code is perfect for larger teams or quick onboarding. Members can register for Jodoo or join your team instantly, even if they already have a Jodoo account. And that's it for today's tutorial. Now you know how to register, sign in, and invite members to your Jodoo company or team. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a Jodoo Masterclass. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below. We're always here to help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.